I was recently in Wise County, Virginia for a client and had a few hours off to explore High Knob Tower.
So the last time I was at High Knob Tower, it was during the summertime, and the conditions were a lot different then because I was shooting a sunrise, and so I was actually going up to the tower when it was pitch black out. So it was like 4 in the morning or something like that going up there. This time I went up during the daytime, but it was totally snowing.
A snowstorm the day before brought several inches of snow across the mid-Atlantic region of the United States. It was a chance to stress test the snow setting of the four-wheel drive in the Jeep Compass I had recently bought.
And admittedly, I was going really slow, like 10 to 15 miles an hour. I think the most that I did was 20 miles an hour. So that's pretty slow going up those switchbacks. And I'm sure that had something to do with why I didn't slip.
About a third of the way up, I took my drone out to get some shots and set my bearings. Those TV towers were close to the High Knob Tower that I was trying to get to, and get some footage from the summit. I'm a licensed commercial drone pilot, and I thought some footage from there would be great to show potential clients. At an elevation of 4,223 feet, this landmark offers a view that captures the soul of Southwest Virginia on a clear day. The tower provides a breathtaking 360-degree panorama where you can see 5 different states: Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, North Carolina, and Tennessee. It's a geography lesson brought to life, a chance to see the sheer scale of the Cumberland Mountains. The current tower opened in 2014. They built it to be fireproof, and it even features an ADA accessible ramp, ensuring that everyone can experience this unique vista. The High Knob Recreation Area itself is a gateway to over 100 miles of trails, bouldering, and fishing opportunities within the George Washington and Jefferson National Forests. When it's not snowing, it's a perfect base camp for outdoor enthusiasts. So for this shoot, I used the DJI Mavic Air 2S drone, which the batteries last about 15 minutes, and then I used Neutral Density Filter 16. As far as the stills go, I used both traditional JPEGs and DJI's version of Log for photos. I also shot in DJI Log for the video sections. Whether you're seeking stunning natural beauty, a piece of local history, or just a moment of peaceful solitude above the clouds, the High Knob Tower delivers.